There is a myth that low-income people in the United States do not want to eat healthy foods. It is simply not true.
The basis of EatSF Vouchers for Veggies is that folks can't afford healthy food, and they live in neighborhoods where there isn't access to healthy food. There might be corner stores that have chips and other unhealthy food, but there's no produce. And when people have less money for food, that means they're not eating healthy food and they're paying a huge toll with their health, which costs us all in the long run.
Food insecurity is the inability to reliably access adequate, nutritious food for an active, healthy life. And as a primary care provider, patients would tell me that they really wanted to eat a healthier diet, but foods like fruits and vegetables were luxury items and they simply didn't have enough money in their budget to afford them. That was really the impetus for starting EatSF.
And one of the unique elements of the EatSF Vouchers for Veggies program is that we drive the supply of fruits and vegetables into those neighborhoods because folks receive fruit and vegetable vouchers.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
We work with community-based organizations in underserved neighborhoods, and folks get their vouchers from their health clinic, from their social worker, from their faith-based organization. Once they get that voucher, they use it locally at a corner store, grocery store, farmer's market. When they do that, they're helping develop a habit of eating fresh fruits and vegetables. They're increasing their health when they do that. They're increasing their food security, but also they're helping drive the supply of fruits and vegetables into those neighborhoods, which is really benefiting everyone in that community. Hellman Collaborative Change Initiative is exactly what is needed to change this broken food system. We don't work alone. We work with our community partners in so many different ways. We work with our community partners that distribute the vouchers to their patients and clients. We work with community partners that assist us with nutrition education. Some of these programs will go in and take store tours with folks, and they'll walk around and talk about the healthy eating and talk about pricing and talk about when is a great time to buy these certain fruits and vegetables and when is others. There's organizations that help you learn how to cook. And what's great about this is alone, we're not as powerful as we are together. So just the vouchers without the education isn't as good as it all together. And that's one of the things that we at EatSF Vouchers for Veggies love about the program. It is about bringing community together.
We have one of the richest cities in the country, and yet we have a disparity around food. And the way in which EatSF is integrating equity is to really make sure that these community residents in San Francisco have access to fruits and vegetables.
Today we're here at Heart of the City Farmers Market. That's an independent farmer-operated nonprofit farmers market that's been here in the Civic Center neighborhood since 1981 to serve a community that did not have a grocery store. And nearly 40 years later, we're still here and we're still facing the same food access challenges in this community. People who have EatSF vouchers will bring them here to our market information tent and exchange them for tokens to go shopping with our farmers.
This is like a really great farmer's market that I have so many options in one place to buy all these fresh vegetables that it's healthy for me, super easy, it's awesome.
We're very impressed with the performance of the EatSF program. It started very small and has grown rapidly since then and is now one of our largest food assistance programs.
I feel better. It's something that I knew I should have eaten before but didn't. And since getting older, learning that it's better and healthier to eat fruit and vegetables rather than constantly eating junk food, and I'm not younger anymore. So
What we see as a result of the program is people report that they're eating better and they feel healthier. People report that their food budget stretches longer because they have those additional resources for food. And food vendors tell us that they're able to stock a greater variety and a higher quality of fruits and vegetables.
You know, like somebody like me, like you eat by yourself, you don't always eat the best food. It's easier for me just to be able to eat the fruit and have fruit every day, which it keeps me healthy, so that's why I really enjoy it. Thank you. And I think that's the big thing about the program is that it's good for you. It's good to teach you about your health and start being more healthier.
The greatest lesson of EatSF is that people at all income levels want to eat a healthier diet. There are many more barriers in a low-income household, and we can support some of those households overcoming those barriers with something as simple as a voucher.
We know that over 90% of folks talk about the fact that they eat less junk food as a result of the program, that they're more confident shopping on a budget as a result of the program. 88% of our folks are still maintaining positive dietary eating habits. I mean, that's incredible. Folks get how important it is to eat healthy, and they feel better on the program, and that's how you make lasting change.